Welcome to the channel. Open Chrome and type IntelliJ, and you can see the JetBrains. Open the first link and go to downloads. You can see in the screen on the right side. Open downloads, and here this is paid version. For the beginners, I won't choose that. You can download this community edition. Download. Click on download. It will take some time for downloading. Once download completes, open that file. Click on in next. This is IntelliJ community edition. Click on next. If you want to change the destination folder, you can change. If not, go with the default. Go for next. And if you need a desktop shortcut, you can enable that one for desktop shortcut. And path variable also you need to enable. And to run a sample project, enable this one above one. I will use it. I will use for Java, so I'm enabling Java. I'm enabling this also. If you need, you can enable all this. .com, .gradle, .groovy. .kt is for Kotlin. If you are dealing with Android, you can go with .kt also. If not, .kt is not needed. I'm clicking on next. Go for install now. It will also take some time. Okay, next, once install complete, click on finish and open the IntelliJ. Can you can confirm this terms and conditions. This is for data sharing. For now, I will click on don't send. Import settings. I'm skipping this. Skip import. IntelliJ interface port open. I will click on new project. If you want to change the project name, you can give yours. I will give a sample as a project name. And if you want to change the location of this, you can change. Build system also you can select Maven Gradle IntelliJ. And this JDK version also you need to select. If you I already have 21 version, so it is came. If not, there means it will come as Node JDK. And you can click on download JDK. It will show the versions. You can select any one of the below, and you can click on vendor, and you can select the JDK from here. I'm selecting mine's 21. Add a sample code. Sample code got added now. That is main.java. You can see in the screen the sample main.java file. Configuration is going on. You can see in the bottom. Just wait for some time. Now click on the run button. You can see sample file got executed. Thank you for watching this video.